Okay, now we're going to start with the wind guard. And just so in case people don't know, when you put in the wind guard, the wind goes in this direction. It goes into the open end. So you put your wind guard in like that. You then put your burner in.
Do you open the legs on the burner or close them?
Do not open the you can. It will work just the same, but it makes it harder to remove the burner.
Okay.
So I leave them closed. You put it in there, and then this is the bracket. This comes around the back and goes like this. Now, kind of the secret is you have the eye bolt and a nut. Tighten this nut all the way up with a wrench. Then you're going to put it in place. There we go. And what you want to do is get it all the way in, and that nut is just going to hold the bracket in place.
Now, does it matter what side the wind thing is on, the inside or outside of it?
You know what? It doesn't really matter, but you can see that there's a little notch on each one. Now there's paper in the way here, and you want to just open it up so that it hits the notch.
Okay. That
holds it in place. And then you put your second one in. All right. Once you get that all the way in, the nut again will tighten. If the burner's a little bit loose when you get to the bottom and you're tighten, let's see, this is pretty tight. However, if it was a little loose, just push make sure this other one's tight.
Hello, how's it going?
And then push this one in like that. And that will push the bracket down. You can see it's very tight in there now. Now, the secret to those nuts, now if you want to take the burner out for some other reason, you just loosen each side, just a couple of turns, burner comes right out. Put the burner back in when you're done, and tighten. You're done. Not going anywhere.
All right.
So, there you go.
Where do we find you guys?
We're at tembotusk.com. So, www.tembotusk.com. All American made. We make our stuff in Southern California.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.